In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add XRP to your Coinbase wallet for the year 2025, and I'm excited to guide you through the only way to do it. Let's dive in with what you'll need to know and do to make this happen smoothly and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have the Coinbase wallet app open on your device. Whether you're using a smartphone or a tablet, get that app up and running so we can kick off this process. This is where everything starts, and having your app ready is essential. Next, you'll want to locate the send receive option. This is often represented by two arrows pointing up and down, and it's typically found at the middle bottom of your screen. Give that a tap to enter the space where you can manage your wallet transactions. Having this function right at your fingertips makes navigating through your transactions easy and convenient. Now look for the receive option on your main wallet tab. This is the area where you'll handle incoming transactions, so it's critical to know your way around here. Once you're in the receive section, it's time to search for XRP. You'll need to browse through the list of assets until you find XRP and then make sure to select it. This ensures that you've chosen the correct cryptocurrency for your needs. With XRP selected, the next critical step involves copying your XRP wallet address. This address is unique to your account and acts like a bank account number for the crypto world, allowing you to receive funds securely. Make sure you copy it carefully, as any small mistake could lead to issues with your transactions. Once you have your XRP wallet address ready, it's time to fund your wallet. The XRP ledger requires a minimum balance, so you'll need to transfer at least 20 XRP from another wallet or exchange. This minimum balance is necessary to activate your account on the XRP ledger, so ensuring you meet this requirement is crucial. Keep in mind that not satisfying this minimum balance means your XRP won't show up in your wallet. After you've made your transfer, there might be a short wait while the transaction is processed and confirmed. This is typical and nothing to worry about. Once everything is confirmed, you will see your XRP appear right there in your Coinbase wallet, ready for whatever you plan to do next. There you have it, everything you need to know to successfully add XRP to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. All of these steps are important for the process, and by following them you'll be well on your way to managing your XRP within your wallet seamlessly. Thanks for watching and happy investing.